Swaraj, am I audible to you?
Yes, sir. Yeah.
Okay. So, see, what I was saying is it's okay. It's not high score or anything which is given. Okay.
Yes.
Because there is enough content which you have written. So, practically, maybe when you are taking the actual exam, you may not be able to write that much also.
Yes, sir.
In fact, in some of the question, what you can actually write and what you have written is very much more. So, I presume that you might have taken some more time also in that.
Yes.
Yeah, so there is no need to then talk about the mark that you're supposed to get only. Okay,
Yes, sir.
so I'll do one thing. I'll just go through the paper and then we will discuss. Couple of areas only I need to clarify. Otherwise, it looks perfectly fine. And you are writing this answer for the first time, or have you written answers before also? Like as a
Uh, for the GS answers, I have written some before, but the sociology, this was my first time.
but
So
this
it took a little
it
bit more
doesn't look
time
like
than.
first time. It looks actually good. Just good like experienced player only.
Okay,
So
sir.
it's fine. Let's look at it. Some areas we need to just rectify, otherwise it looks fine. When you are
Okay.
taking, see, when we complete it and then one more round, if you take, it will be perfectly fine.
Yes, sir.
Okay. Just that next time, just do one thing. Just try to stick to the time limit. Then we will get more clarity.
Got it, sir.
Okay. So, do you have the paper with you?
Yes, sir.
Okay. I'll do one thing. I'll share it. So,
Okay.
so they see the first question, there is no problem. There is nothing to discuss. It's a direct, straightforward 10 marker. Make sure that you'll be writing it 7 minutes. And if you're scoring, see here, it's 5 mark. If you're scoring anything above 6.5, it is very good. So here,
Okay, sir.
some issue that I have found is you are missing on this part, similarities, right? So they're asking you to distinguish. So
Okay,
between
sir.
them, there are some similarities that they share. What is complementary role? That also you need to discuss. How common sense
Got
is
it.
helping sociology and how sociology is helping to develop common sense. That complementary role we need to discuss. And then
Yes, sir.
never ever, bring in this one. Look at this CS
Short
and
form.
never ever do that. That actually irritate the person.
Okay, sir.
Okay, then there is nothing more to discuss in that. That's a straightforward one.
Yes, sir.
Sociological imagination, it's very good. I don't think that I need to discuss in this. You got 6.5 also. So I'm leaving. Even you have added the contemporary, the CJP and all those. It's fine.
Yes, sir.
Now, coming to this one, what is objectivity? Why is it difficult to achieve in sociological research? So, objectivity refers to independent of bias. Independent of which bias? Personal bias. Right.
Got it,
Bias
sir.
can be anything. No, it is personal bias of the investigator is what we are talking about. So you need to be very clear. And then also you need to tell why bias is coming. Bias is coming because of certain values.
Yes, sir.
So objectivity, and you also need to explain value neutrality. So whenever objectivity is asked, you need to tell value neutrality. And in one case, somewhere you have mentioned, unlike objectivity, value neutrality is this. No, it is actually value neutrality is a precondition for achieving objectivity. Okay, if you need
Yes,
to
sir.
achieve objectivity, there should be value neutrality. You have to be value neutral.
Got it, sir.
So I am a person who conduct a research. I might have values on base of my religion, my ethnicity, my region, my religion. So I should not have any impact of that. So
Got it, sir.
freedom from all these personal biases, freedom from value freedom, value neutrality. Nowhere you have mentioned about value neutrality. Especially it is there in your syllabus also, that also you have to bring in. Otherwise,
Yes.
everything else is fine. But you got 6 marks, it's good.
Yes, sir.
Now here, towards the end, when you conclude, no, this answer, it is always better to conclude with Weber. You used Weber, but not this way. What Weber says is, sociology studies human beings who have consciousness, whose behavior cannot be predicted 100% objectively in terms of cause and effect relation. But the natural science, if you see, study matter, which can be predicted. Yeah, that you can bring in, and then you can make that difference in terms of subject matter and tell that, still we try to achieve objectivity by using, training and all methods and all those. It is going to be become better, right? And
Yes, sir.
You can also say the later understanding. The absolute objectivity is neither possible nor desirable in sociology.
Yes, sir.
That is a proper conclusion which you can give. Then this would have taken to 7 mark. That last
Got
impression, if
it,
you
sir.
can give, this would have gone to 7 mark.
Yes, I think I've given that, but not been able to explain it properly. Like I have
It's not.
said that objectivity is not like unlike belief by positivists, and then I've quoted some parts of Weber.
It has to
But
be
as you said,
visible. No, those important
yes, sir.
points need to be visible. No one is going to search and find out. It has to be
Got it, sir.
visible.
Got it.
Okay. This is easy one, but only thing is that you see when you have written research methods you have mentioned. So after this, you need to explain what is quantitative, what is qualitative, rather than this table itself. On the top, you mention quantitative methods are dealing in numbers, whereas qualitative
Yes.
methods dealing in text, which is descriptive in nature. Numbers achieve objectivity, and then comes to this table if you want.
Got it, sir.
Okay, so otherwise it's perfect one. Every point is there. There is nothing to. Yeah, that's why 7 is there. It's very good one, but just start like that.
Just one doubt, sir. So
Uh,
I think I'm exceeding the word limit in the
yeah,
questions.
that is what I've mentioned here. Somewhere here, I think I have mentioned also that you won't be able to, in actual exam. Good. Look at this one. I've mentioned it very clearly. You're closing. You
Yes, sir.
cannot. You will have to compromise on some other question if you go like this.
Yes, sir.
That's why stick to the time. Yeah, see, this answer looks picture perfect. You're getting the mark also, content also. But if you're not able to complete in time, then there is nothing like looking picture perfect. You
Yes, sir.
can be then only the right evaluation and right understanding will come. That's why next time you stick to the time and then you write. Then will come to you.
Okay, sir.
Don't try to make it picture perfect. That's something which automatically come later.
Yes, sir.
This one there is nothing much to discuss. Reliability, validity, very simple one. Okay. Yeah, this case towards the end, can you see there is a scenario? There are situations where reliability is achieved but not validity. Validity is achieved, not reliability. Both reliable and that case, you have a diagram. I don't know whether you know that or not. If not,
Yes.
I'll share it later. In our notes also, if you can go through, you'll find it. That there is a diagram
Okay.
for all the conditions.
I know about the situations like as you said, reliability and validity is there or not. So I know the cases where these are possible, but I don't think I know about the diagram. I'll just go through your note once and
Just there is a diagram. Even if you ask to ChatGPT, also you'll get it.
okay,
Okay.
sir. I'll get the diagram.
This is fine, perfect. But too much content you won't. That is the only thing that I want to tell you. Variables repeated again. It's a
Some
good one.
questions are repeated, I think, sir.
Because only first 3 chapters, no. Some of the
Yeah, sir.
questions you have to repeat it. There is some issue with participant observation. You have to give examples like Redcliffe Brown, Malinowski, that I can't, and Indian thinkers. So you haven't given those examples.
Yes, sir.
Okay. If you don't
So
know,
I just had this one doubt. Like I am, for example, like you're giving me a question, I'm able to frame the arguments, but for the thinkers part, because I wrote for the first time, I'm not able to think about how to put thinkers in it. Like for the
hmm,
Weber part, I knew that Weber told this that we have to achieve value neutrality and it's active effort, but it not know how to bring that into the answer. So I just wrote a small Weber in the end, like I do in GS.
hmm. No, like the way in GS you cannot write. Here you need scholarly type of answers. GS you can just list down points also. So if, that is why
Yes,
I
sir.
said that conclusion is not impressive. Here you need to when you are quoting a scholar, you need to quote according to Weber. This like that you need to mention. You can't write a
Okay, sir.
point and then put in bracket Weber. No, that work in GS, not in sociology. You
Okay,
it
sir.
need to be like a scholarly kind of proper argument.
Okay, sir.
Okay. This one is very simple. There is nothing to discuss. Here I have mentioned here what you have written is this is actually not correct. Conceptually, I think there is only problem with this one word that you have written in this answer. Otherwise, this answer is perfect. But this one will spoil. Unlike objective, what is that you mean? Objectivity, if you see, it is freedom from value, value neutrality. So if you need to be objective, you have to be value neutral, right? Without becoming value neutral, you can never be objective. So if you meant to say unlike objectivity, objectivity is very broad. Value neutrality is one of the parts, still it's fine, but that's not the way you have mentioned.
Okay, sir. Okay, sir. I understood. I think I was thinking about explaining the one you said. Like it has
Okay, because
many parts and it's one of them.
objectivity means it's broad, and we have to have value neutrality to ensure objectivity. That is the 90%. That is how it is connected. You can say.
Yes, sir.
But still, objectivity is broad. You can't make it like unlike objectivity. In that sense, it's okay, but the way you have written is different.
Got it, sir.
Okay.
Yes, sir.
Otherwise, this is a very good answer. Even then, you got six. I think you have here mentioned Max Weber, objectivity, value neutrality, complementary rather than, but this is not the one you can mention. Okay. Uh, yeah, this is easy one. There is nothing much to discuss, not here.
Yes,
Modernity,
sir.
emergence, intellectual, nothing to discuss. And now here, this one, since it's a 20 marker, this is a very, like, these are the questions where you can score very good, especially from the first three chapters, science, positivism. I think I haven't given question related to positivism, or you haven't written also that one. See, this first you have to build the context. Just one line, one or two lines, you'll have to tell. Sociology emerged and initial sociologists wanted to make it similar to natural science. That's the context you need to build. And
Okay.
then you talk about, instead of directly writing these sociology is scientific because of the following, no, there are certain elements which is supposed to be there for any body of knowledge to be considered as scientific. So explain
Okay.
that, like, what you say, objectivity, intersubject reliability,
Yes.
quantifiability, and then these are the following arguments in favor of science, and still there are arguments against sociology being science, and conclude. That is when a 20 marker will be like a, you are giving in the proper order. We have to build the
Okay.
context. We have to tell what is science, what is the initial understanding of science when the initial thinkers were writing, but then what is the later, instead of, you can say later understanding of science is based on method of inquiry rather than body of knowledge.
Okay, sir.
Initial understanding is what? Empirical, universal, right?
Yes, sir.
Inductive, body of knowledge. But then you conduct your investigation in a scientific way, then that is considered as science. Karl Popper, you can mention.
Yes, sir. Yes, sir. Exactly.
Okay. So towards the end, you can say science is understood in terms of a method of inquiry rather than body of knowledge for Karl
Yes,
Popper. That is
exactly.
why that
You're
is why
so
we have a scope to argue for sociology being science. Otherwise, sociology cannot argue. And the conclusion should be, I want a more refined conclusion. Sociology is not a science similar to natural science, but it's a science in itself, and it's a social science.
got it, sir.
Okay, and
Yes,
you can then quote Karl Popper and say that science is understood more in terms of method of inquiry rather than body of knowledge.
got it.
That term should be there. There. That is why I told you to build the context. It's not similar to natural science, but it's a science in itself.
Hmm. Yes.
Right? This one is easy. I'm just leaving it. Next also direct. Repeated again. I think you have chosen also the questions where repetition is coming. That's it, Suraj. Fine. For me, what I want you to do is next time, just stick to 7 minutes, max 8 minutes for 10 marker, and 12 minutes for you set the stopwatch and then write accordingly, so that you'll get practice to that. Even
Got
if
it.
the content, you don't want to worry about the content, it will come automatically. You don't want to make it this perfect. You can never make it this perfect in the exam.
Yes, sir.
So whatever is coming to us in that flow, we should be writing in the time. That you just focus on completing the paper on time. Rest of the things automatically.
Yes, sir.
Okay, so this one is very good, but I'm telling you this, you won't be able to do when it comes to
Yeah,
exam.
exactly, sir.
Yeah. So anything you want to ask me?
Yes, actually, it so happened that I did not practice any questions from before. So it happened like you gave me the question and I got cold feet that time. and I was able to think on the lines of content, but I was not able to structure it properly like we do for GS. Like for GS, we have some approaches in mind, and when a question comes, we are able to think, okay, these are the kind of dimensions. But for sociology, I was not able to think that. So I was kind of I feeling like I was dumping content more than understanding the demand of the question. That also I
It's
told it.
okay. This is based on the demand of the question only. But why you didn't think of these questions? Because these are previous year questions. You
Yes,
should have
sir.
gone through previous year questions.
Yes, sir. So during class only, I brainstormed it a bit, but I did not write any answers. So while writing answers, I was able to think on those lines. I knew the arguments, but as I have not written answers, I was not able to integrate thinkers into my answers, or as you said, conclude in a proper manner with the arguments. That's only possible, I think, if I've done some sort of answer writing. Otherwise, I'll not be able to put it in a refined manner, as you said.
Just do one thing. Next is the thinker's test, right? In thinker's
Yes,
test, just stick to the time limit and then write it. It's fully to 250 mark also. So just
got it.
stick to. Then I will come to know what exactly is your understanding, right?
Yes,
Here I get to know your understanding, but I don't understand. I don't know whether you will be completing the paper on time.
yes, sir.
And then when you are sitting with the time limit, then what is your limit? No one knows. You may get
Yes, sir.
exposed to that later. So now itself you should get exposed to that. Even if it
Yes,
is bad, even if it is not looking, picture perfect like this. Next
yes.
thinkers test you should be properly writing on time.
Okay, so okay, sir. The
Okay,
thinker test, I think I'll practice the PYQs for that.
goes to go through PYQs, and that's how you should prepare notes also. That's how you should prepare sociology actually.
Yes, sir.
Okay,
Okay, sir. I just had one doubt. So, just this is a genuine doubt from my side. Like, you have given the Sociology 360 program, and you are assuring that students will get 260 plus marks. So that's already in itself is a decent score to hit. So I know you'll give your effort, but what we need to do from our side to ensure that we get that good scores in the exam?
you will get it, Siraj. You just follow the test itself. Now you have started early. You are doing it now, and you are doing it properly. Just follow this. If there is anything that I need to discuss, in fact, looking at this paper, there is nothing more to tell you. That's what I
Yes, sir.
told you. Just stick to the time because this is like a this is the kind of answers that toppers write. Seriously,
Got it.
I'm telling you. But I'm also telling you, you may not be able to write like this.
Exactly, sir, because of time limit.
I have seen all these toppers, I have evaluated, and that is why I'm telling you. You message me, you have given good score, but you are bound to get that score because you have taken enough time also for this. I know that
Yes.
when I see the paper, I know that,
Yes, sir.
right? So just stick to this, and then I will know. Then if there is any problem, we'll correct it, and then you'll get it.
Okay, sir. So for thinkers test, I'll keep this target of 8 minutes for 10 markers
Ah,
and
yes.
12 minutes for 20 markers. I think that's okay.
And one more rule that I used to follow, that I used to tell my mentees is start writing the 10 markers first. Now in college, what we used to do is we write the 20 markers first and then goes to like bigger essays first and
Yes,
then
sir.
goes to the smaller one. Even in coaching also, many will tell 20 marker first and then 10 marker. But the
Got it.
thing is that 10 marker, you think about yourself, say 10 marker or 20 marker where you can present maximum content.
Got it,
10
sir.
marker, where you
Yes,
can
sir.
get more score in terms of percentage. 10 marker, I can
10
get up to
marks.
7 mark easily.
Yes, sir.
20 mark, the best you write, you'll get 12, 12.5.
Yes, sir.
Always first try to finish this, you practice, and then we'll have 13 10 marker. In
Got it,
actual
sir.
exam, 13 10 marker. I'll have to pick that 13 10 marker first, make sure I'll do it well, and then comes to rest of the 120 mark. That's how it
Sure.
has to be done. Okay.
Yes, sir. I'll keep
Yeah.
that.
Okay. See you.
Thank you, sir.